Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the LeetCode question 141 linked list cycle. In this question, they give us the head and we have to find if the one node is connected with the another node. Then we have to give output as true. So let's solve. First, we keep two pointers, slow and fast. Before that, we write a base case if head equals to null or heads next is null, then we return false. After that, we create two pointers, slow and fast, and assign both as head. After that, we write a while loop. In while loop, we write a case if fast is not equal to null and fast next is also not equal to null. So if these conditions are met, then the while loop is good. Slow equals to slow next. We just iterate slow and fast. But the slow is from the first node and the fast is iterating two times. So the slow iterating for one time and the fast for two times. So fast equals to fast next next. After that, we write a if condition if fast equals to slow, then we return true. Then out of while we return false. In this condition, if fast equals to slow. So if the we iterate slow and fast, if the next node is connected to the previous one, then the fast and slow both points to the same node. So then we return true. Then we run this code and that's it. Thank you.